Hi, we're 80 Innovations, and we specialize in advancing technologies in the Alzheimer's diagnostic market.
And I'm Parsa Amini, Head of Research and Development.
And I'm Colin Caldwell, in charge of materials and electrical engineering.
And I'm Hayden Lee. I'm the software engineer and primary clinical correspondent.
And I'm Zafina Sinha. I'm the data and image processing engineer. We're developing the ADAD, the Alzheimer's Disease Analysis Device. Alzheimer's is a neurodegenerative disease characterized by a decline in cognition. Early onset symptoms of the disease appear between early 30s and 40s, but often go undetected. During these early stages, the emerging disease is frequently misdiagnosed. Most patients are more commonly diagnosed in the late onset stages. Our device enables early detection of Alzheimer's disease, which is critical to slowing progression of the disease with medication.
Primary physicians often struggle to diagnose emerging Alzheimer's due to subtle symptoms and overlap with other diseases. However, research has shown Alzheimer's consistently degrades the brain's capacity for saccade movement. Therefore, tracking eye movement can be used as a screening procedure before more invasive tests are ordered, which can allow doctors more confidently diagnose patients and lessen the need for invasive tests on healthy patients.
Currently, doctors diagnose Alzheimer's using neurophysiological testing, blood tests, CSF analysis, and imaging techniques such as PETs and MRIs.
Alzheimer's affects around 6.7 million Americans over the ages of 65 nationwide. Currently, the pre-diagnostic market in this field was listed at $10.4 billion in 2022. By 2030, the expected market size for Alzheimer's will be around $22.5 billion, with a compound annual growth rate of 9.4%. We intend on marketing this device for future use in pre-screening process in ophthalmologist offices to assess the cognitive capabilities of patients 40 years and older. Our solution consists of three primary components: the interface, the eye tracker, and the software. The interface is our primary modem of testing, where a dot will populate or depopulate in an XY plane. The eye tracker will then track the movement of the eye in response to our interface, and in combination with the software, analyze the cognitive capabilities of the patient. In total, our estimated cost of manufacturing will be about $425.
Our device administers a functional task to patients where they must quickly and accurately direct their eyes to a series of marked locations. While this is happening, a camera inside the device captures the location of the eye throughout its movements. Using these frames, the eye is placed onto a coordinate plane at each point in time during the examination. The device then evaluates the data for the unique discrepancies in movement common in Alzheimer's patients. The gradual neurodegeneration in Alzheimer's creates a consistent pattern of damage to neuromuscular function, and our gamut of tests assesses both ocular function and working memory to diagnose Alzheimer's early and non-invasively.
Our hope is that by putting our device in the offices of optometrists and including our test in the preliminary checkup process, we hope to catch Alzheimer's early enough to delay the long-term effects of the cognitive decline of our patients. We want our device to be the first step in a more comprehensive testing process. Once our device is used, if our test determines a high likelihood of Alzheimer's, it will serve as evidence of the need for more comprehensive testing to ensure accuracy.